So now let's talk about traffic. So if you still haven't joined this network, just go to this website address here, join this network. It's free to join, and this is a network where you're going to get thousands and thousands of quality clicks and visitors, and you will able to build a list, and you will able to make affiliate commissions. Okay, so in my previous video we have already talked about different affiliate networks, how to choose a product, how to find products. Now it's time to drive traffic. And I also spoke to you about creating a landing page just like this around the product, because this way you will able to build a list and you will able to make a lot more money than doing direct linking. So there are so many traffic sources. One of the traffic sources I talk about is called Udemy. It's one of the great networks out there that has good people to drive traffic and email traffic. So if you still haven't joined this network, go to this website address right now, join this network. It's free to join, and when you join this network through my link, you're going to get a personal message from me, and you will also able to send me a message if you want me to review your landing page and give you some better and best suggestions about your landing pages. Okay, so let's just dive into this. How do you find quality people on this network? There are two options down here. If you go to buy solos, you're going to have this option down here. You want to select minimum 300 visitors. You want to select got sales 50%. Okay, repeated orders you want 20% plus. Maximum price, just leave it to $2. Then niche, you could do anything from here. In my case, because I promote affiliate offers, I'm in marketing. Okay, and then you just want to do top tier country traffic and then sort by sales. All right, this is how you do when you go to buy solos, but I'm going to show you a different way to find quality people on this traffic network. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to solo deals and we're going to find someone here. So you could see this first person down here that he's selling traffic for 40 cents per click and 5,700 orders completed. So let's just click on him. He's from Canada. You could click here, send him a message, ask him a couple of questions. For instance, how fresh is your list? What traffic source have you used to build a list? All right, and the offer that you're going to promote, you could send him an email asking him that, have you promoted this offer to your list in the last 3 weeks? If he says yes, then switch your offer or switch your vendor, because if he's already promoted this offer to his list in the last 3 weeks, most likely you're not going to make money. All right, you can see if you just hover your mouse, it explains everything what this means. The higher this number, the better chance you're going to make money, and then repeated buyers 22%. All right, so you scroll down. You want to start off with 300 clicks when you're getting started. Okay, 300 clicks, and then if you start making money, remember, when it comes to making money, you don't want to track your results as soon as someone enters the email here. So when they enter the email here, click on submit, they're going to be redirected to the affiliate offer, and that's not enough. Okay, you need to wait for your 7 days email follow-ups to kick in. All right, so after 7 days of email follow-ups, then you want to go and see and check if you made any money. Even if you just made one sale, that means this person has got buyers. So you want to buy 500 clicks. If you made money, again, even if it's one sale, you're not making any profit, you haven't broke even, but you just made one sale, that just proves that this person's got buyers. We're going to buy 750 clicks. If you made money again, then we're going to buy 1,000 clicks from the same person, and then so on and so on. Okay, remember, if you don't make any money, that doesn't mean you have wasted money. You're buying traffic and your focus is list building. You want to focus on building subscribers. So you want to get to 200 subscribers, then 500, then 1,000, then 10,000, then 100,000 subscribers, because the bigger list you have, the more chances of you making a lot of money and multiple 5 and 6 and even 7 figures online from the comfort of your home. All right, so you want to drive a lot of traffic to get people to enter the email address here. This is how you're going to build your list. So you're focusing on list building, not making money in the beginning, and then once you start building that list and you start getting into 1,000 subscribers, you're going to start making a lot of money. All right, the only reason we're looking for one sale is to just prove that if this person's got any buyers inside. Okay, now what about if you didn't make any money from 300 clicks? Then that doesn't mean the traffic is rubbish. That doesn't mean you have wasted money. It just means that probably the offer's not good, or you need a bit more time to give more time to the people to purchase a product. So if you don't make any money, you don't give up. This is where people get wrong. They give up, they just leave it, and that's why they never move forward. What you want to do, you want to look for another person and buy traffic again. Okay, buy traffic from another person and continue to do that until you find someone, one guy, a winner, where you purchase 300 clicks, you build a list, and you made at least one sale. Because that one person is more than enough to change your life, to turn you into a millionaire. All right. So you're going to keep on doing that search and looking for a person where you purchase 300 clicks and you're getting a good opt-in rate. Like you want to have an opt-in rate of at least 30%, and people are opening your emails. Okay. Open rate should be above 20%, and you're seeing people clicking your link, and then after 7 days you should make at least one sale. If you're making one sale, you're going to continue to buy traffic from that same person. If you didn't make any money, just go back to solo deals and look for someone else with the criteria that I just told you. Okay, so you want to look for anything above 20% buyer rate. The higher this number, the better. The higher this number, the better. Okay, so just hover your mouse and it explains what this all means. All right, so you want to continue to buy traffic from a person where you're making money. And once you're happy with the traffic, what you do, you just enter your landing page URL here. So in your case, it's going to be a ClickFunnels link or any landing page URL you have. Just enter it here, click on Prime Filter, click on Only Top Tier, and then just go through the Order Now button and just pay the money, and your 300 clicks will start. And obviously, you want to look for anything that gives you 30% opt-in rate. If you don't get 30% opt-in rate, you need to change the landing page. All right. So let me just show you one more criteria that you need before making a final decision if this person is a good fit for you to buy traffic. Okay, so you have looked at a couple of things here. You looked at the buyer percentage, you looked at the repeated buyers. Okay, you're looking at the comments down here. All right, but there's one more thing that you want to look for, and that is this sign here, got sales. You could see this guy registered a got sale in 6 August. You want to look for this from 5 different people that they report that got sales in the last 30 days. Okay, so in the last 30 days, you want to have minimum 5 different people saying that they got sales. All right. If that criteria is not met, then you don't want to buy traffic from this person. Now, that doesn't mean that his traffic is not good. We just want to stay on the safe side from the beginning, so we're not wasting too much money. All right. So you need to understand that. So look at this. This person reported got sale, but he's also left a comment. So you want to read the comment as well. And then you want to see this got sale, and you want to have this from 5 different people in the last 30 days. If you found it, you found the best person on this traffic network to buy traffic. Okay, so go ahead, buy traffic. And constantly buying traffic means constantly building a list, and when you constantly build a list, you're going to make money. If you never give up, you're never going to fail. All right, so this was all about traffic. Now if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, especially about Clickbank and how to make money, that I do have a course on this. If you come here, you can see this guy smiling, you could see this course. Just go here and you could purchase this course extremely cheap and start learning all about affiliate marketing. In there, I go into much details about this traffic network and how to utilize this traffic so good so you make your first sale within 24 hours.